Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Mozam Ali. I hold a degree of Masters in Environmental Sciences and currently I am working as a sustainability professional in the UAE. I am along with my second author, Mr. Mohsen Raza, who is currently doing PhD in Environmental Sciences from University of Gujarat. And the topic of this research article is assessing the impact of plastic pollution on the aquatic ecosystems and vertebrate diversity in freshwater lakes of Punjab and coastal marine areas near Karachi. First of all, I would like to give the introduction of this whole research that plastic pollution is an increasing global concern impacting aquatic ecosystems significantly. Plastics and mainly microplastics are persistent in water bodies, intimidating the health and diversity of vertebrate species such as fishes, amphibians, and other mammals which are living in aquatic ecosystem. This study examines that how plastic pollution affect the vertebrate biodiversity. Focus on correlation between pollution levels and change in the species populations. The objective of this research is to assess the impact of plastic pollution on the vertebrate diversity in aquatic ecosystem. Our aim is the quantification of plastic contamination and assessment of its relationship with the vertebrate population health, mainly focusing on species diversity and physiological impacts. What was the methodology of this research? This study involved sampling from five different aquatic ecosystems, including three freshwater lakes of Punjab area and two coastal marine areas in Karachi, each selected on the basis of varying levels of plastic contamination. Water samples were analyzed for plastic concentration with microplastic particles ranging from zero point 0.5 to 5 millimeter, recorded with an average concentration of 2000 particles per cubic meter. Vertebrate species were surveyed using the techniques of capture and observation, with a total of 20,000 individuals representing 50 species recognized. We also conducted necropsies on 180 fish and amphibians to evaluate the presence of plastic particles in their digestive systems, and statistical correlation models were used to compare plastic pollution levels with the health and diversity of vertebrate population. Here is the analysis and a graph which is showing the result of this analysis that our research found strong negative correlation between the plastic pollution and vertebrate diversity. In areas where with the high plastic pollution, vertebrate species diversity reduced by an average of 35%. Of, of the 180 necropsies conducted, 40% of fish and amphibians had ingested microplastics, with ingestion rate highest in the benthic species. Moreover, uh, population densities of amphibians in the in the polluted freshwater systems decreased by 28% over a 3-year period, while certain fish species experienced a 23% decline in reproduction rates in the areas with high population. Vertebrates, those inhabiting coastal zones, showed an overall 35% reduction in species abundance compared to low pollution areas. These results align with the global trends in the literature, confirming that the plastic pollution has extensive and harmful effects on aquatic vertebrates. The ingestion of microplastics leads to the physiological stress, malnutrition, and also reproductive failure in several species. The alteration in habitat caused by large plastic debris further worsens the declining in the biodiversity. And as a conclusion, this study highlights the critical need for intervention. not only in plastic waste management but also policies focused at a reduction in plastic production and promoting recycling. So this was all about for the research which we have done, and the article is in front of you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.